Imagine, if you will, a structure so vast, so intricate, that it rivals the most complex ecosystems on our planet. A place where human ingenuity and the boundless beauty of nature converge in a breathtaking display. This is not a distant, untouched wilderness, but a gateway, a nexus of human connection where millions of journeys begin and end. For too long we have seen these places as mere transit points, functional but forgettable. My name is Ahmed Gaber, and I invite you to join me on an extraordinary expedition. If you, like me, are captivated by the incredible creations of humankind and wish to explore more of our world's wonders, do consider subscribing. Our first destination lies nestled near the equator, in the vibrant city-state of Singapore. Here, Changi Airport has long been more than a mere travel hub. It is a declaration of what is possible. It breathes. It lives. Within its glass and steel canopy, a veritable rainforest thrives. The true heart of this remarkable ecosystem is the rain vortex. It is the world's tallest indoor waterfall, a colossal column of recycled rainwater that plunges 40 meters. Canopy bridges suspend you high amongst the treetops, offering a unique, elevated perspective of this verdant world. From the tropical humidity of Southeast Asia, our journey takes us to the arid landscapes of the Arabian Peninsula. Here, rising from the desert like a sleek metallic mirage, is Hamad International Airport in Doha. Perhaps the most iconic is the giant lamp bear by Urs Fischer, a whimsical 23-foot bronze sculpture that sits playfully at the heart of the Grand Foyer. The terminals are lined with high-end boutiques, world-class restaurants, and even a tranquil indoor swimming pool and spa. We now travel east, to the dynamic heart of South Korea, where Incheon International Airport serves as a masterful first impression of the nation. Throughout the terminals, one can find dedicated cultural centers showcasing traditional Korean crafts, musical performances, and even a reenactment of the royal walk of the Joseon dynasty. Passengers can wander through serene indoor gardens, complete with peaceful streams and native Korean plants. Our journey now leads us to the heart of Europe, to the German state of Bavaria. Here, Munich Airport stands as a testament to German engineering. What truly distinguishes Munich is its unique central hub, the Munich Airport Center. This remarkable semi-outdoor space hosts a variety of events throughout the year, from a bustling Christmas market complete with an ice skating rink. Furthermore, Munich Airport is home to the world's only airport brewery, Airbrau. Here, passengers can sample traditional Bavarian beers and cuisine in a lively beer garden. We return to the Arabian Peninsula, to a city synonymous with ambition and opulence, Dubai. Dubai International Airport is not merely an airport, it is a sprawling metropolis in its own right. The interiors of Terminal 3 are a dazzling display of modern luxury, with soaring palm tree-lined concourses, cascading water features, and an atmosphere of perpetual glittering motion. The Zen Gardens in Terminal 3 offer a lush, green respite, a pocket of calm with fish-filled ponds and verdant foliage. Our expedition now takes us to the pristine landscapes of Switzerland. Zurich Airport reflects the national character with uncanny precision. It is clean, efficient, and possessed of an understated, confident elegance. The Airside Center is a marvel of Swiss design, a bright, spacious hub for shopping and dining that feels more like a sophisticated urban plaza than a terminal building. We journey south to the vibrant shores of North Africa, to an airport that is a work of art in itself. Marrakesh Menara Airport is a stunning fusion of ancient tradition and contemporary design. The light filtering through the arabesque patterns creates a serene, almost sacred atmosphere. Giant, diamond-shaped skylights adorned with colorful stained glass pour jewels of light onto the floor below. We now travel across the Atlantic to the Pacific Northwest of Canada. Vancouver International Airport celebrates nature, light, and the rich cultural heritage of the First Nations. The centerpiece is the spirit of Haida Gwaii, the Jade Canoe, a monumental bronze sculpture by Bill Reed. A massive 114,000-liter aquarium showcases the diverse marine life of the British Columbia coast, while streams and waterfalls meander through the building. We journey now to the capital of China, to witness a feat of engineering and design that redefines the scale of modern aviation. Beijing Daxing International Airport is not so much a building as it is a landmark. Inside, the genius of the design becomes apparent. The terminal is a single, vast, flowing space with vaulted ceilings that soar overhead, supported by massive, light-filled funnels. For our final destination, we fly to the edge of the world, to the capital of New Zealand. Wellington International Airport offers something truly unique. The international terminal, known affectionately as the Rock, is designed to look like two enormous weathered boulders. As the gateway to the home of the Lord of the Rings film productions, the airport features enormous, breathtaking installations, from a giant golem reaching for juicy fish to the majestic form of the great eagle, Gwahir, soaring overhead. And so, our global expedition concludes. We have journeyed from living rainforests encased in glass to modern palaces of light and shadow, from futuristic starfish to fantastical rocks.